This is a new 2015 Ford Mustang. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a turbocharger, electric trunk, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, xenon headlamps, fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Brennigan Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 615 South Black River Street, Sparta, Wisconsin 54656.